Nelson, wala kang tape? Wala kang dalang tape?
Okay, then po later.
Go.
Thank you. Hello. Magandang araw po. Ito pa rin ang ating Philippine Sports Writers Association Forum dito sa PSC Media Room. This is the second part of our two-part session for today. Sa ngalan ng ating Pangulo, si Francis Ochoa at ng lahat ng miyembro ng ating Philippine Sports Writers Association, welcome po sa ating session. Sa ngalan din po ng ating mga kaibigan, ang Philippine Olympic Committee, Philippine Sports Commission, ganoon din ang Milo, San Miguel Corporation at Arena Plus. We'll be having this session and we are so pleased to have here with us. Siyempre ang ating sports icon from chess, ang ating Asia's first GM, Eugene Torre. It's been a long time, nagbabalik sa ating PSA forum. And we have also two of his good friends because we'll be having the Mapua, okay, or the Eugene Torre Rapid Chess Cup. Okay, so we have Mapua Philchai Alumni Association past president and trustee, si Engineer Elias Ang. Hello po, good morning. We have also Engineer Nelson Salazar, a former Mapua chess champion. So this is it. Welcome to the PSA. Yes, opening remarks. GM Eugene, kamusta po?
Thank you for welcoming us here dito sa paborito kong Sports Writers Association. Parang pamilya ko na itong grupo na ito. Haba-haba na rin yung pinagsamahan natin. Anyway, I'm very happy na sa Mapua magkakaroon ng chess events. Napapasalamat ako sa Philchai Association na napili nila ang chess sa mga susuportahan nila. And I think this is the third year na, no? Yes. Oo, so very thankful ako and grateful sa Philchai na napili nila ang chess doon sa mga susuportahan nila sa kanilang grupo. Thank you very much. And hopefully ito ay magtuloy-tuloy every year. Okay? At the moment, yung mga maglalaro lang doon talaga dedicated sa mga purely mga Mapuan. So, yung mga kasama ko rito mukhang i-explain din nila yon.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay. Engineer Elias, sige po, tell us more about this Eugene Torre Rapid Chess Cup. First edition pa lang. Yes, sir.
Actually, we started this in May 18, 2019, before the pandemic. That was the first Grandmaster Eugene Torre Cup held at our school, the Mapua University. It was an open division for all chess players during the first Eugene Torre Cup namin, and it was NCFP and FIDE rated. Almost 400 have participated during our first Eugene Torre Cup. Then last year, during our alma mater centennial celebration, we hold the January 18, 2025 centennial second Eugene Torre Rapid and Blitz chess tournament. We have a total of 200 participants, mostly our alumni, students, and even some employee and professors of our alma maters. And now, this coming June 27, 2026 will be our third edition of Asian First Grandmaster Eugene Torre Rapid Chess Tournament. And today will be the last day of registrations. And this will also be a NCF's PM FIDE rated tournament. So I hope that this Saturday tournament will be successful, and we want our alumni to be very actively involved in chess. In the succeeding years, we will probably hold open chess tournament again for the other chess players. I think Engineer Nelson Salazar, who is our board one during the Mapua first chess championship, he will explain more about the program and the tournament on June 27. Thank you.
Engineer.
Magandang umaga ho sa inyong lahat. Pag narinig nyo ho ang word na Mapua, anong naiisip ninyo?
Engineer.
Okay.
Engineer.
Excellence in engineering. Pero alam nyo ho ba na ang Mapua ay also holding the most unparalleled legendary heritage in Philippine chess? The first Grandmaster in Asia. Ito ho, katabi ko. Grandmaster Eugene. The first Grandmaster in Asia, si Grandmaster Eugene. The first International Master in Asia. Kilala nyo? International Rodolfo Tan Cardoso, International Master. Mapua rin mo siya. Si International Master Renato Naranja. Tandaan nyo, 3 chess icons, basta ho chess, lahat ho sila nanggaling sa Mapua. So yan.
Pangapat ka?
Okay. Pangapat to, alam nyo ba na ang chess ay na-introduce sa NCAA ng 1976 na ang Lasal at Ateneo ay member pa rin. Ang Mapua, ang kauna-unahang champion. First and second, and alam nyo ba na I'm very proud to say na ako ang board number 1 ng 1976 chess team. So, it's really legendary. Tatlong first GM, first IM, and first NCAA team champion. Okay. Kaya no, itong anong pagkakaiba ng third GM, Doctor, by the way, hindi nyo ba nakukuha bakit Doctor? GM, Dr. Eugene Torre. Si Eugene ho ay binigyan ng Doctorate of Science, honoris causa ng Mapua noong 2023. Oh, so Doctor, Grandmaster, si Eugene. Ay palakpak naman ho kayo. Okay. Ang pagkakaiba ho ng tournament ngayon, number 1, it's PD rated. Ang tournament.
PD rated.
Okay. Ibig sabihin, lahat ng player ay magkakaroon ng PD rating. Marami hong tournament na walang PD, not PD rated. Number 2, lahat ng participant ay members, dapat members ng National Chess Federation of the Philippines. Tumutulong din ho kami sa Association ng Chess. Okay. Ito ho ay rapid, ibig sabihin 10 minutes plus 3 seconds increments. Another thing, it is exclusive to Mapua community. Estudyante, alumni, professors, faculty, and mga empleyado. So, we are inviting you to witness the event on Saturday, June 27 at 1 p.m. sa Mapua Gymnasium sa Intramuros, Mapua.
Yes.
Intramuros, Manila.
Okay. GM Eugene, ano ang pinaka-goal ng torneo mo na ito na nasa 3rd edition na pala among Mapua chess community students and the whole community?
Well, siyempre, una-una, masaya ako na na-appreciate ang chess, no? And hopefully, discover tayo ng mga exceptional talent sa chess sa among mapuans. Alam naman natin ng mga engineers, more or less related din sa chess yan. Parang may calculation and all that. But anyway, more than the discovery of talents, siyempre ang importante, hopefully, mas marami tayong ma-inspire at ma-encourage maglaro ng chess, and then hopefully ma-apply sa buhay. Yan ang parati kong sinasabi. Kung sakasakali mayroong mag-champion and all that at maging successful sa chess, bonus na lang yun. Ang pinaka-importante na through chess, ma-promote yung discipline at ma-apply sa buhay yung natutunan nila sa chess and sports in general. Oo, kasi discipline kaya nga tinatawag ang sports na discipline. Buti na lang, ako noon kasi, okay yung mga moves ko sa chess, pero hindi pumasok sa ano ko na kailangan disiplinado. Buti na lang, na-realize ko yan mga 25 years ago na dapat ina-apply ko yung discipline ng sports doon sa buhay. So, yun ang gusto ko parati. Kaya, very happy ako pagka napopromote ang chess and sports in general, especially sa ating mga kabataan.
Lalo na mga estudyante ng Mapua, mga bata pa yan, dapat disiplinado na. Yes, question?